Here if is set, get, and then success message. Then we need to echo this success message. We need to say here echo, and then we need to echo. We need to say here PHP, and then in between we need to say P, and then let's say H3, and then PHP, and then echo get, and then success message. And we display also the order ID, and then keep the order ID in a safe place. And then here you can, if you want to display this one more time, the amount, you can say here amount paid, and then you can use the total, but I don't think there is a reason to, so I'm gonna remove this. There is no reason to do this. Now let me save and let's test. Let me now click on save all, and let's test this. So this is gonna be displayed to the user, but by the way, here we need to use paragraph as well. Here we need to say P, and then inside that paragraph we need to say echo PHP echo, and here paragraph, and here also paragraph. I'm gonna say P, and then here P, and let's test now. So everything is perfect, I think. So here I forgot the semicolon here, and also here semicolon. And what else do we want to do? Let me check again one more time, because we don't want to have any typos here. So we have the header, we have the session start, we have everything here, echo get, and actually here I forgot to close the curly bracket. So here we need to close the curly bracket. Here don't forget to close the curly bracket. The payment, in the payment page we need to say window location href, and then complete payment.php, and then transaction ID. So we have a problem here. So the problem is that here I should say transaction.id. So as you can see, a simple error could ruin our website. So here transaction ID, because transaction.id, because here we are using JavaScript. So here transaction.id. Also here we need to say transaction, not transaction. SAC, we need to say transaction. So I have here a spelling error, transaction ID. Also in the complete payment I have the same problem. I should say transaction, and here transaction, and here transaction. So this error is going to ruin our code. So I'm going to say transaction, and here also I should say transaction. So this should fix this. And we also, by the way, we also don't need this. We don't need this part. We need to remove this part, because we don't need to check here whether it's empty or not, because it's set here. We don't have to worry about this because it's gonna be set. And the order ID also, the order ID at this point, the order ID is for sure is not empty. So also this is not mandatory. We just need to say if it's set. And then we need to save, and also in the thank you page we need here to say for the H3, I'm gonna say style, and then color, and then I'm gonna use the green color. I'm gonna say cream. And let me now save, and let me head on over to the browser. But before, we just need to say is set transaction ID, and also is set session order ID. These are the most important things, and we just need to check whether they are set or not, because at this point they are definitely set